I am the only baby back doing here because it in no. There was a bang or moti. A bread, but when the air she is not bread, and a baby are sorry, and near Kada or Mezicada or Mezusor. That's why dead sassy.
Amen.
It's sassy, and you do Razasi, but on Yaza, wonderful.
And the answer per se yet is a move.
Oh, over by a man, my would do. Don't pay for being about to. Wow. And Ben Boston, who there is.
Oh, Abeto.
Yet, Yabacades Tobo. Azunara, Oma, what I told. Say it to Anamom a bassa in a second. If you put in a beer and in every second, one able slow down. You will be no more.
You will be a crash at Toboase. The
system never catch easy.
Wow. Pacho, you can't ura a book clerk on a wine. Who is he?
A book clerk. Me fancy.
Okay. So you're Ghanaian,
papa. Mammy a Ghanaian, papa a Ghanaian, papa and mammy with Cape Coast, you know, if you go, Quano Pardo.
Okay. Crony the Quano Pardo.
Brono,
at the Quano Pardo.
But Biffy Inkum,
Aguna Inkum,
Cape Coast,
okay.
It may be castle. Osiwo Cape Coast.
Cape Coast Castle.
Right opposite it. Baby, in the year war, Cape Coast High Court.
Okay.
Anglican Church.
Yes.
Okay. In fact, maybe if you or share a wall with them Anglican Church. What kind is Mananum? Wompune was a Hanama Abrofuna. We see Chapel, Anglican Church.
Can you go over there, Massasia?
Yes.
Okay.
And so when a miffy.
Okay.
But Manana Numukatina, Nigeria.
And then we've been a Pamo man as a Juma.
Namana now you'd remember UAC.
UAC near Juma Bay.
United African Company or Yabrofo or company those days.
Omu yet about it.
In the Ghana, you're from Unilever.
The provisions now.
It was quite export cocoa. Eko Nigeria, no export cocoa Nankatse.
Okay.
Eko Gambia. Or special, the cashew nuts, very common in Gambia. So UAC was all over British colonies. And so my grandfather, I know an accountant, no one.
Okay.
Now I'm the Ofihana or transfer no crow.
Nigeria.
And so my mom used to real school and no so crow. Any parents in so crow.
One also 12 Nigeria.
You know. Coincidentally, my papa saw I am Mr. Yamitase Clark. You know, it with Barclays Bank.
So, what a banker?
No, a banker. Musician banker. Let me put it that way.
It's okay as a musician banker, not as a trainer say.
No hobby.
Music.
Yeah, music, but he was in the history of Ghana music, urban. I saw organ, piano, and N.T. Clark was special, you know. And so, also as a young man, I wore bank and also transferred to Nigeria. And so, no kishia mamma, or worry, you know. It's a Manchester, yeah, start to Nigeria. Or more Cape Coast, quite all right. Mamma. Oh, Ghana, it's one more Cape Coast.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Sunny Crow,
Nigeria. To your education or basic education?
Basic education, near Nigeria.
The other no adapt to Nigeria.
Oh, men and Anamom were Ghanaians, and they were very much Ghanaian.
More Nigerian, you know, practice that Ghanaian culture.
Exactly. My grandfather put it, you can only speak the local language outside the gate. Yeah, before we don't have to speak the Nigerian language. Uncle the means here.
Timothy Nigeria ko school ho de.
Yes.
Nanso mo ba fie de a infante na eso ka. Wonnim na ka Nigeria ka sa semato.
No, not in the house, not in the house.
Na yentete papa.
Well, me feel then opede ye maintain yen Ghanaian fancy culture no. The you because Kasana is the one the means here because you could school on you know
Kasana na mbeka school. Ba wo ba fie de a.
Wo ba fie de a ifie language no ono na ye.
Yensua bibi kakra ha eja enti se me yo batan me yo chini me fa chima babu kromu a.
That's right.
Na se me ne me matifie a e wo se me no mo ka achem kasa no.
Me jizi de dem na odo ye.
Adenti.
E sende oma traditional enwa
Yamamre ni amane.
Amamre no enwa e kakasa na ina wunzi ye bi ochre.
Okay.
Some American brofu abu na brofu na American menzi yeso nyi brofu kasa no ko.
Okay.
Nti some American fans a margin na mama kama moframba no bohunu 116 bohun dey yes fancy kasa na yerekan what
ehun ni o ma na so ye
no amambra na aze no hun zama na ye ehun
but your generation na bi susu say wona o maka brofu ofia ena chese wani abi na wona o baka okrum kasa asa wo yatete kwa
no me jinzi them emi azoma me yimba ka brofu ususa inde mpede utumo ka brofu ni ye.
Okay.
But me baby a ka brofu from childhood na so ye ka fancy
to okrum kasa na wanto antwene
no
na aboa.
Oh yes, because my friend when utumo relate properly outside. We shall be our own school.
Utumo ne kasa.
Utumo ne kasa fine. You know, ibi aso ne kasa. What's there? Asemi ne imperial can dem na imperial aza imperial hwehwen. Na sema na adwini akaye brofo a on see local language na. Oh
okay.
You know, mutna hoyi. Or can Yoruba language. Mutum michiro.
Hey,
because
Yoruba language say Nigerian language.
You know,
Nigeria
class one, my elementary education mukro. And they were teaching it in school. And so now they
utimisuya
michiro. Or a subject or they pass.
Okay.
In a Manchester as a baby or toddler no. In a Wakano, northern Nigeria.
Okay.
And then I also Hausa ne waka. And so I speak Hausa too.
And you see what brofo. What infante. What Hausa. And now what Yoruba.
Yes. Na matsenkran.
Na tenkran.
Yeah.
In the case I would
maka Russian.
Na Russian so usia was school na ukotana.
We got now.
Ukotana Russian.
Yeah.
Year ben no.
1964 through 69, 70.
Okay. Wadaroma, run us through from your elementary education in Nigeria. Ufiri ho udo ni chire Ghana na ufiri na ukoko school in Nigeria no. What's a bag Ghana bi mbeboa o man na?
Me we elementary school, starting with secondary school in Nigeria. That time, all the time I'm in Nigeria. No, me your grandparents, my sister, your grandparents. So, my papa. Oba Ghana, Gold Coast then.
Okay. And who?
Very much, why not? Gold Coast is a
hey.
Because Ghana reached independence in the Maria Marco Secondary School.
Oh, when anyone near fee?
You know, I think I was about 12 or so.
As you go Coast, I'm not money Japan.
Oh, in fact, your young friend is na Gold Coast, Gold Coast, Papa.
Sir,
it's the kind of Gold Coast. No, even though no man say her, but yeba every year long vacation, yeba a Gold Coast.
Now was a what about Gold Coast?
You know, your grandmother is in Hemba. nti ya ba yɛkɔ Cape Coast yɛtena da braka kakra yɛ uncle bi nkyɛn yɛ grand uncle bi my grandmother and brother no okay. Then if you are near snack or Cape Coast, and Cape Coast was beautiful trees, you know, the things we were not seeing in Nigeria.
You were seeing them in Ghana.
Yes, and once when the road well lined with trees, you know,
now do you see them nowadays?
Oh no, why are Ghana? I had to say first and can a ridge who baby no ya kono. Echo Cape Coast, efa Boomer, efa a JP Brown Street. Honya Indian sisi kwano ho fefe. To no Jim from you know, but in there, a rainbow boa, if you wait, Mum Horrible. A good yoke of you know, in the Barnes, is it Barnes Street? You know, if he Holy Spirit chaperone, as required you see one. And it was a beautiful, there's still an Indian cook, you know. I mean, you want to walk around in the afternoons, in the mornings, in the evenings. If we are not sure, you build quite a number, you know, and then.
Mind your life, pa.
Oh, Mom, we are here there. You don't use to say, you use to cash on else. Young Judas come.
Wow.
Now, bra boy, a fair, boy, a dead. You know, it's a time, Ghana finally.
Yeah, Ben, our best settle Ghana finally.
1961.
I feel Abrempong could do back 1961. And I feel free Nigeria.
Yeah,
Sa Branty, I feel about
if you continue with my education,
okay.
It's Agri Memorial Secondary School or Cape Coast.
Cape Coast.
You know, that time, that was all this time. It was Kwame Nkrumah days. You know, as a student or a schoolboy, you know, life was quite comfortable.
I didn't understand Abrabona a more demamo. Say
no crime.
Kwame Nkrumah Indiana.
Jeans did the Kwame Nkrumah in Siripo, but the in general Abrabo that time under the colonial system, no one more and Basabasa. The Kwame Nkrumah no. In fact, Emi Mumu Kwame Nkrumah, I think it was around 1953 or 52. No, sir.
4 or 5 years to independence time.
You know, yeah, but holidays from Nigeria. And CPP no was the Nkano or Pijo Carsibi. The Pijo no, or I the fastback.
Okay.
I the VW, but also Kakras no. And on Kwame Nkrumah and the campaign. We painting red, white, and green. And so I remember people named from Babyani Aji. The Aka for him a minute time. There's a bokola. There's a bokola. Well, you be no mistake. But canvas. Canvas. That time, Charlie Water and Azimia being you. But in Poguano, if you hear traditional, and him Pogua, you know, but canvas near Sheku school. And so, if you Nigeria, Benson, Yoruba. Yeah, brown canvas and white.
As a more guy,
no, it's your buy. It's in your boy, color and the crap. In a color, oh, tell me, come over batch or your boy. Yeah, color normal. In a taman, Yamadu, Yama. Need to America, no, I collect him from no one sees me there. It's in the Kwame Nkrumah car, CPP car, needs America's age. CPP, Oboko Assembly, CPP, Oboko Assembly. No, the joy of that, the Mensikrum hands in basically 4 weeks, 5 weeks, I need to go back to Nigeria. My anxiety is next probably long vac.
I said, baby,
and so, yeah, my grandmother cut a yellow Cape Coast, and I could go, yeah, you have a ship from Lagos, Apapa, near Zabata Krazi, and then we.
Now, it taking by how many minutes?
Oh, it's a whole day.
Overnight,
you know, see if Lagos, Zabata Kraza, say, oh, to an opa, by midnight, we able to do deep seas for Takoradi and Sanapane Aba Wharf.
Okay.
You know, then we get down and then take another vehicle. Those days in Biaka, they have
Arrogas.
Russia. Yes, Abba Cape Coast, you know. And it was until a Dema, it took me by road. Then we started traveling by road.
From Nigeria to
Ghana. You know, in Efia Aflao, you know, we come through Cotonou, Aflao, and then, so that then Takoradi, hustle, no fuel.
Okay.
Also the same period, even longer, because ship near far, you to Lagos in early morning near Takoradi. But by road, you know, you do Idi Roko, that is Nigeria Benin border. Those days in the Wafa Seme, it used to be Idi Roko. The next day, I share Bada Hilakoji.
Cape Coast, and I say
Cape Coast. Yeah. In fact, right behind our house, right the forest, and say no. The idea of going to enjoy Akutumpo, and then I had some friends catapults.
Yeah, Thai.
There's a born no ma.
To what bonoma pay?
And maybe we're from one Ankadazi. Me free one growth, but you know, on land, you know, or a black. Sure, no. But time behind no electricity, you know, it's your friend Ankadazi.
Yeah, I chum for a friend, Menasa.
I think that's
on time.
No. Time behind no, Gina,
Tinamo tiny gauge, you know.
You're born, Bassa.
Into from Agri Memorial.
Yeah, Agri Memorial. The most best name Bakra. Interestingly, when I was at Agri, the man and me very much interested in drawing and things like that. And then my interest was more into architecture.
Okay.
And so I moved to school in the Papa Biwo area or draftsmanship shop. And so anytime I'm in
you're free.
So I started studying draftsmanship. And so me feel agree no mukro. That time my father was in the UK, a Ghana Commercial Bank, in fact.
Ghana Commercial Bank, no more branch or UK.
You know, 1959 in Ube branch.
And UK.
You know,
and that's all.
69 Chipside.
Wow.
And there was often a Ghana Bank or something.
A GCB Bank.
You know, no, it has another name now. It's like
owned by Ghana.
Oh, yeah, Ghana, you know, Ghana Commercial Bank here and Ukubwe branch.
And then the first time I met you.
Oh, really? It has been there.
Everybody educate to me.
Oh, it's been there since 1959. At least that was the time my father went. Yes.
As a banker.
Yes. In fact, all his life he worked in the bank until 1968 or 69.
Okay.
In a urban retirement, you know. And so by 1963, Namaba Accra, you know.
Ubayede.
My parents were.
Okay.
You know, I mean, that's where Accra was more comfortable for us than Cape Coast. And so, you know, I'm back Accra, and I got a job with State Housing. In fact, now I was just there, maybe secondary school, waiting for my results, and okay, get a job. I was employed by State Housing.
And so you are buying Juma?
You know, in the State Housing Corporation.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. And so, just as a young, what we would say, young graduate from
Agri Memorial.
Okay. You know, But I got an advantage, the minimum draftsmanship. I was looking for a part-time job, pending my... and so I got into their drawing office, and the man there got to like me. No, the way I draw details, Monko site. So it was not by site or in the cantonment police station.
Okay.
And number one, why the estates be war before you join Rangoon Avenue. That they were then constructing that. So I was brought to the site so that I get to know more about site work. Unfortunately or fortunately, Menzi 3 months, and just about that. And we publish scholarships. And so I applied. And we invited him for interview, a scholarship secretariat. So many school leavers, secondary school leavers. And after some 2 weeks, I got a letter there. Was selected in a scholarship.
Now the course could be in Ghana.
No, not Ghana. Outside.
To which country?
I was first selected for Eastern Germany.
Eastern Germany.
Yeah. But they have been moved to Czechoslovakia. Well, my joy was to travel out and go and have my education. And maybe I was in Mokobia, I was not. Kwame Nkrumah.
And it's a scholarship, or no,
yes. Yes. At that time, that man Kwame Nkrumah, our vision. Obi akwanema obiara enkro school pa
nye protocol bi na ma onya scholarship
no
enyo papa bi na rewrem
no my father was not in agreement with me put them roko because only for UK I have every chance to go there Kwame Nkrumah no program for this country I believe because Otumufa, fitting shop boys.
Everyone's what Bami Kruma Bob, no be fitting shop boys.
Boys, come on, one organize one. They should know how to do this or that. At their level, they need improvement. One conclusion here. Carpenter, fridge repairer.
And the target is for technical education.
Technical. Oma artisans, the Obia, engineer Quabrichino. Ibohane be na winchan, yet your full plane, a bit to winchan gra, brofuka crano brana waka. But that was not his business. Nkrumah business in there.
Company dear brother.
When improve, could get somewhere. One kind of Nkro secondary school in Kutia, on Seruko for 6 months, a boko for that 6 months. And in the war, Nkrophobia, also one scholarships.
And two scholarship no model no question there Sabebo Ghana.
In fact, Morocco, Namaka architecture.
Mamudro Dino, a dime plan.
That was my initial aim, And we had doctors among us, various types of engineering courses, civil engineering, structural engineers, profession it's in a dorsum. For instance, I ended up going to Soviet Union. Soviet Union, your group that year, and here your group, I think we're about 200 and something.
No, Sergeant for a sponsor,
yes.
The government of Ghana.
Government of Ghana.
No, if it was Sergeant for foresight, Ben or one or the SR doing.
No, your resources.
Because the resources are,
infant your cocoa, your gold. Here you breed upon me, my gold, cocoa, bauxite, timber. Only him, and doesn't them a pea. Abekam. Na daman zamani na brofo no manage.
Na brofo na hweso.
Bibia was under their control. Until up till now, when they they have the chance again to maintain their stand. Our control, economy bio.
No correct.
Because in Nkrumah Kechre, say and sustain we become, that's what we call neocolonialism.
That's what they want, so they want.
Yes.
What association I say?
Sisters, they are worse.
Hey, I say man okay.
Na worry in one. One can tell.
She say I shall brofo say pa.
Na abaz na ye wo krum ha. Ehinara yezifo. Abrofo no why take over Bibia bio?
And then I'm an abasa, Mamma Nkrumah, and I'm a current situation.
I mean, I see it as, near Dogano.
Momo Pensamo Dogana.
Dogana, Kwame Nkrumah. Emi Mekne. Me age groups. Near Dogana, Papa.
Naye no Ghana.
Me education and because in Kwame Nkrumah, in a minimum there, ye fancy, and a yachting, and a young cranny. May you mind it?
Ghana for wow.
You
know. Papa Muni ho.
No.
Now tiny ho.
In fact, me fabric bay as a young graduate. In a me mind there. In fact, yet tribes, me mind there. Fancy, Isanti, and Ankra, Namura. But we feel that I won't answer fancy in the camera. No Muslim sound and American fancy.
That's the only difference.
That's the only difference.
But no more Ghana for.
Look, you know how to describe it.
Two and Kumali Foundation, Papa Maya.
Very, very good foundation. I'm not a politician, but most your lifestyle during Nkrumah time. Ne, I be me huni ye. Ne, ye kurpa.
A den a mass, our croy any or doors, our patriotism, and then what's nine, I am raised there. Who is say?
In Yasu feel, Ebia, as you assume, kakra.
Okay.
Because I remember Cape Coast. In the Mansankran, no minimum cran, but no more to uncranium. Motu Amranium, Motu Dagbanium, Muscle Northern dance. The cultural integration was there.
And say, your mum ran a kaboom.
Nkrumah made sure that the youth, BBC or Yane, I am there, you're political. There's a sense I'm a P. They were boys' scout, they were girls' guide, but they were teaching us the British culture and tradition.
To what woman would dear, but now we see or maybe swadi.
You know, and so Nkrumah introduced young pioneers. The young pioneer, no, because my band maybe 14, 15.
Okay. Then they more young pioneer.
Young pioneer, we were learning about ourselves. Emi, so be catch them there, or catch them before I don't know. So be a whole young pioneer. Watch them there. Catch you, Papa, catch you, one.
What would they answer?
Me want you.
Yeah,
one, Ghana. What we have in Ghana. Why we have to know Ghana and why we have to serve Ghana.
Say, Ubunyo, Ghana. The NTS also Ghana. Now pay Ghana as well. Any edited.
Yes, that was the main area was a train, or young pioneer. I don't know, maybe another young pioneer will come and say something else. But no, what train, Ghanaian history. Yabakasam. Baby Firiba in the baby Yerko. In the Aza de ye, may ye man and why ye hena yezi.
Looking at these visions, no, but can say Nkrumah is exceptional leader.
Any kind of leadership, he had all the vision. Nkrumah was too much for us, I believe.
No, bro, so.
Seriously, because Mamu could have breached, you know. Moshe Amos know this man has a true vision. As all your feno,
anything,
and encouragement on my hand as students. You know, on my embassy staff. Anytime we go to the Ghana embassy, you have someone to have a chat with you. So graphic into Ghana, briefing you of what is going on in Ghana.
Let's say, baby, your tongue Ghana, mama and sign.
Yes.
Oh, Kwampaso.
Yes, here Boko Abuchi, yet group over 700 people going to various countries. So.
For what?
To study. And when I want to call Germany, and when I want to call England, US, France, you know, all over. Austria, impa 50 rukoha, impa 100 rukoha, impa 100 rukoha, impa 200 rukoha. So even before we left, that time the Ideological Institute was Winneba. In Siakro Winneba Kaziba said about a month or more. We had lecturers, Professor Ikokunum, Kujadasanum, you know, talking to us about this country, where from independence, where we are going, and what is expected of us.
Do you want to hear the agenda from you people? No person who would tire.
Yes.
See, Nenisu as
it wasn't there. Especially those of us who went on scholarship. We were not forced to come back to Ghana.
You came back on your own?
Yes, yeah. Whether you want to come, because you have gone to learn something, you want to come and impact.
Immediately,
I finished in June 25th, 1969. By July 18th, I was back in Accra.
From Wawakumem, when you
I was embarrassed. It was a terrible thing. Look, some of us, what do we be in Sembe or
Kafra?
Shede make 6 years outside. Moko, I was 17, 18. The anxiety to see my mother,
your family,
you know, in Mbudu Airport, because I trained in the Soviet Union or Tatamo Airport.
Oh,
you know.
You were so abandoned, okay?
Yes. So I had to just force my way. Mami Bibe Murukopo. Can you imagine them making crane for 6 years?
No, Abana, ye tatao. When is what town?
Timmy a taxi, me and taxi. You see, they be a floor CFC. You know, it's a circle, take me there. Those days, CFC in the VIP.
New plant station.
You know, VIP, when I was
okay.
CFC Construction Company. You want to see the estate. This place used to be CFC Estates.
Okay.
You know, and my stepfather then was the financial controller there. You know, and so no, that's the only place I could remember. I mean that you were UK.
You're frustrated, Wakra.
As that was the Yemo Airport. Into me, Jamia many be crowd airport. Remember fear.
Wabemubui.
3 days after, by 4 a.m., it's a gate in Gate, special branch for that's BNI.
Why are they?
Soviet Union.
That I'm near to Nkrumah.
Near to Nkrumah. A free from time. It was terrible.
And it's a share foundation was say Nkrumah lay my yen. Any more who say Ghana food, carpenter for mason, most of my school, or the more copying girl outside the buy. Na any baby or mine do no nipa do no any new. Who did this to us?
You see, the baby and I the back at the Kayazon.
So that was nobody in charge. One can you say me before?
Oh, yeah, like a CIA. But in an area, CIA Ruben, so CIA when basic Ghana cream.
You know, I'm
Nipaso. Yes, no one called Ghana army for Uncle Fakutu can free from their own tomb chroma. In Hanan, we use here. 1958, in Ghana, in Michena, but I got to know I'm there Kwesi Pratum Grawaka, a common history that we had the first coup d'etat in this country.
Yeah.
Upon Sanum Nanunka Kamufu. So you can see where we are coming from. In independence. In Hina Yazi. In Hina, if Hina you to Yama.
That's what we should. I hire
Wow, how and beyond. I can't even explain. Just before Mbokwa Bridge, in the Malaysians, Abagana, Rubusia Musi, dear Abe.
Malaysia for Bagana, and Ombusia Abedia.
Dear and the Musi will process Nazi. The Koreans,
Korea.
Yes. All these things make
sense. Korea, no independence, almost the same
time. Almost the same day also, I think,
I did better than
they saw Nkrumah as a star.
In Jomo Bahaba Jim, dear.
Yes.
Malaysia, Bah, Korea, Bah.
How are you be saying him the folk a cry? Oh, yeah, you're a hope.
In the Japadia who draw an eye and a free and say Ghana Airways, ye nibi, factories. I
was a cry. Because, share. Abazine by 1966, Utum Kruman. She, Fania.
Fania
made in Ghana, made in Tema.
Fania
yes.
Made in Ghana, made in Tema. Yeah, man, 2004.
1950, our friend then, 67. Well, my father bought it around 1967.
Till 1957, no one started manufacturing such products. Oh. But yeah, coming in every China.
So somebody be why can we about who? Missy, there was nothing. Mutay, when you're 6 months.
I say.
Well, I can repair spare 4 times.
Yeah, Nazia,
yeah. Wumbe do that.
Made in Ghana.
Made in Ghana. Tema here. Tema here. Firestone. And their friend Bunsa ties.
Yeah, Bunsa ties.
Minjin is the one produce.
Debbie.
Yeah, no Ghana.
Is it come beef no more Ghana?
Volta come beef. Our friend Volta come beef.
Now you cream from chamber.
No. Bolgatange here. Look, Kwame Nkrumah. Also, you produce cocoa. You export cocoa. You cotton jute bag.
I the cocoa bottle.
Yes, the bottle. Button wire was the boy, jute never near, but was the button bag.
Already made.
Ready made near cotton is amba. USA Elder Dempster shipping line. Also, yes, cocoa negum. You chiako or that call. And since your cocoa, no robot do hover ban in a second work.
It's heavy. You know, expenditure.
Kwame Nkrumah Besi Jute Factory, Okumasi.
Say the Biambu produce cocoa button or Ghana here.
Yes. Kwame Nkrumah so Black Star Line.
No more day.
Or run all over. Your Kranzama Black Star Lines, Baba. Yes, and Zama Requaboza. Black Star Lines, the Boko.
Now your manager paddy.
Ejapazi, your ships. Every lake in Ghana. Lake Busumuchi,
Water Lake.
Pra, but Inina, ship Bia was the 2 lake Bia Ghana. Every lake in Ghana had a ship, cargo ship, and passenger. Mara, I think around 1973 to 74, I went to the US on Black Star Line. From here to the US, 20-something days. It was just a holiday, beautiful. On Black Star Line, manned by Ghanaians. Nkrumah outside. The captains and engineers and bosuns and everything on Ghanaian ships near Abrofo.
Ghana knew how does you feel listening?
I feel that. We hear no about. Yabo Brabon.
Into your foundation now, and they say your Black Star Line, your Jute Factory, a Cambi for your Ghana. Na ene nyoma jinsem sana ban saying
I don't want to be political. That's all. And when I walk pray mutu Nkrumah no obeye dan. And when I walk pray the mutu Nkrumah no wutu no obeye dan.
E wo de say nyame hu mobo no abo ho ban a no abehu the end of everything.
Yes. I am them. Even a metna American be.
Yes.
Because they be am catcher, me uncle focus am catcher on the way. Colonial government.
Abrofo aban.
At least in 2 African countries, or Ghana and Nigeria. Nigeria independence 1960. No more school.
Okay.
And so now I can comfortably talk about before independence in Ghana
and after
independence. That much about Nigeria.
Are you disappointed?
Very disappointed.
In the leadership of Africa?
Oh, you go say, Africans. More for the henna in the young.
Oh.
So we took Nkrumah Kadan. What's the dark days of Ghana? The last book, Ocho, and also, Osha Ghana for who is it? Also, you see, they are going to mow down wood and draw water. Ibu Chendia. Now we're using a bunsi as a gugu. That's all. That's what we are good for.
You been the likes of Nkrumah.
I can't say, but Minjinzi, because show Emio, Samumu she cry from 1969. By exactly 1.5 months in a Buzia takeover government. To date, I the clock now or 10 in That's what is happening. The only time I move was a champion days. A friend was it Cedru Commercial School University. Because new school okra because Cedru Business School.
If you send him the form. Onu mum na wo adwumu so move Ghana kakra.
Look, onu ne o sustaining him. Obey Yenzama or Black Star Line, Ghana Airways, so the Ghana Railway, so the means the main, you saw it moving. Sure, at some point in time, in here, young graduates, those who claim they are not Nkrumahist, let me make it that big, cherish Nkrumah. I'm telling you, the truth of the matter, time 1972, 73, the way no dua rice or harvest or polish. I don't know what is happening to that place now.
Now you do more. Esa e kwa manfo man so koton.
Your polish wo ho na ze you na yet to be easy.
But then you toy more free Vietnam.
Oh. I won't go beyond Vietnam. The more you feel me kind pa there in the Saturdays. Young men at university, that kind of thing. With the winya. Operation Feed Yourself. Voluntarily, by 6 a.m., young guys, those days, we are university, you have a car,
No one had a car amount.
Government, you are entitled to take a loan.
Who you invest here?
We invest in your Jumanda, Juma Chera, Chisempe.
That system no run it.
Yes, normal.
Ghana some now can
Look, if your salary is above 1,668 per annum, if you invest and they do that level, automatically
you qualify for a loan for a car. So open one there.
Yes.
Oh, Ghana.
My first car, I bought my first car for 1,008, brand new, Japan Motors.
Tear over. And yeah, the home use.
Oh, what see, 1,008, Miji loan of 2,000. That covered my insurance, registration, and everything for the car. That time, Japan Motors were in Datsun, Mr. Datsun, after, how do you call that place? Bus stop. Singing bus stop. Harizako.
Okay, Harizako.
Yes, even there's a place there, across the bridge now, there is a turning that takes you into Asalam Dam. Them building those one. No, a Randolph house or Randolph Motors. In fact, it became Randolph Motors after Japan Motors. When it was started, Japan Motors. And so we could see one industrial area. Yeah. That's where some of us picked our cars.
Mr. Clark, this style of democracy and this system of government, you practice, say, if you na ye to abana wini na wato so if you want to so na ya sesa na foforo abano wo hwe de ekoso ya try since 1992 abepemene. Do you think say this is the system ebeboa Ghana?
Oh, system neze ewa constitutional system neze nka onya hwe but in Canada Kwame Nkrumah time or I never find the yiri pono kakra abrofnizi jehenen yes sincerity service to the nation ewa
so be sumo mind.
Yes, those days Nkrumah Sikaya managing director baby when you go and do it not for money but for the name.
That's a name.
As for people of friend Ohinijan.
Ohinijan, formerly known in charge of sports. Kwame Nkrumah time.
Yes. Okusia sports were him.
And then Nkrumah.
You see, Nkrumah ma we juma, nara ye juma no more. Offer no phone afro. Odi. Yes, kay interview hanekwa abaz na bibisa. Ya kaide or the mean prince bisan them question. He gives you direction
as to what to do.
You know, and you are working not for the money, but for the name and appreciation of the people. And the person who are, of course. If not for Ghana, and Kebe in Siazi, but the love we had and we have for Ghana and Sinu. If she and they are Ghana, why they London, and then Ghana, why they America.
I said you could intimate who are
you doing it.
Yeah. And it has all home.
I don't know. Me jizzy there. One can they ever can no quar.
No cray. So my be ya no credit marketing.
Ne say can no quar because some no moon no quar and children crofwa. If you don't tell your son how you got to where you have reached at, I'm bad number man swaha on no be obobo no home. On the area, Ibia kwa oba when sika unya or yet done in sika. So the scar if you finish and say everybody too is growing to have money. Whatever way, my daddy went and brought money. My mommy went and brought money. And so sorry, Uncle School, I can't name market because I will go and bring money. Where you will go and bring the money from, you don't
Nobody
even know.
knows.
And so no secret, no sakawa or baby, and then baby or baby. I mean, a problem. Today is not the name.
And yet, Dean Papa and Papa
no, I didn't Papa near.
I have football been a 2 year and I'll be been a tray with school at 10 years.
She was school. As already using was school, because today there are a lot of things. Yeah, you pay as a JHS student. And when I watch one exam, she said, Volta region, or Western Ghana and then Southern Ghana. When geography, ordinary geography, they don't know.
Some say they were IT world.
Now before then, IT world, the things downloaded or whatever in the IT, no, your geography, no friend. You be ne Aussie geography and Aussie shame.
Ampa. Tiaira.
We are lost.
A day na mom penifo uko 78 years onya kwada abobra tina yenso ya ba onche yeti abakwasemu. A day na mo fuse mo kakire ya na yeti a ebetima sesan ye meya man.
Ihe ni responsibility no. Oye no kwerpa na mo famba won pede wuti. Say one of the casa either they were just the American
ayekolu etwam.
Yes. Member can be a
monfa.
Erika abakwa sam na kira honde me otin na oba na dam na yekura na dam. Won pede wuti go do one wa bra me gina here move from a laptop am me do a me bi me bu ni me sika. Kind of. You know. When a child tells a parent, I just want to have my degree, whatever way. Paper no continue on your problem. You more by here.
So which one you show which now him Numa and Chroma Shas then the intimate fire and sa and Keneba Craswa. In Rantia Eco University Bay, so unemployment to the quarter because Rana.
Oh, Oboka could you. I am there. I accept the unemployment.
It's part of us.
Part of us. You know. Because she said to me one day, in Bofama walk school, I don't work. I am coming here, but me fee.
And it has only one.
Yes, in here, Bredo. I ended up studying industrial designing. You know. In interior architectural interior designing. I didn't wait for employment. Let me put it that way. Yes, Ghana. Abe Ifakabo. talked to me direct. He was then the chairman of the Public Service Commission. Old man and Uncle Sam busy here.
Okay. Nebane former deputy minister.
You know, and then Papa no offer him an office. I say, Mr. Clark, I don't know where we have to put you. So where did you specialize? In the course of interior designs. It's okay. Then let's take you to Peter Building. Peter Building. Abrempong, ejuma ochire hen wo ya in the yendro dan. As for interior, they didn't want us to know it. You know.
I'm trying to hide the baby from you.
You know. And so Mr. Longman was one of the architects or brewing for Peter Building that time. No, yes. I don't know how I can put you in our system. We need you. Because when we design, we don't have an interior designer to do the interior.
Yeah.
So now that you are here, it will have been good. But then they are set up, you know, space in you for interior designer. It's like there, it's when you be in your home, the course like
you know.
It's in frustration. I must call Nigeria. Music as a teacher. The Mr. If I'm teaching, why don't I go? You know, still as a Ghanaian, I felt I should come and serve Ghana,
it made
but
you
not Nigeria.
feel proud of Ghana.
Yes, so I came back to Ghana. You know, it's Wakata Munkoha, Kosunyani, Kodoma, Kotamali. To me, let me work
for Ghana.
For Ghana.
Sa too much, you know. Because you know what the Ghana and Azerbaijan to her Ghana ni be choose Azerbaijan.
Of course. Coincidentally, Mukro Abuchino, because it was Soviet Union, my language course or preparatory course, I did it in Azerbaijan, in Baku, 1964. Institute of Oil and Chemistry. And I'm Mukro. Mkizi 1 year. And son was me few by Moscow.
Russia.
Yes. But those days was Soviet Union, and so, I was sent to Azerbaijan, did my 1 year language and preparatory course. And so now they posted me to my proper institution, Moscow School of Industrial Arts and Design. You see, you see, Ghana Yashrazi.
Oh,
because today, if Azerbaijan is talking,
Ghana cannot talk.
Ghana cannot talk. When we got there, we saw ourselves more civilized than the Azerbaijans.
Momu could do Azerbaijan.
Yes.
Namu Ghana for no, namu some near beauty Azerbaijan for. And so now, baby Azerbaijan, you know, Ghana male.
Debi into the whole baby.
The higher home.
Oh. She, and you boy do no.
And you went also.
Your friend there, but on your we were still, and we are still primitive. Primitivity no how you're primitive.
Is there a solution anyway? Bet me a can be a peer free or highway.
Or highway you be fima or there's a call nursery. Name mambo framba no what's there Ghana. Or yes, Obi amphibia mbamba ya Ghana mehem. Na hempen for so you forget of owing sterling, euro, and dollar. Let's see cedi as the only money we have to earn. Let's forget earning dollar, sterling, or euro. Yanyane dama. Se Ghana fo yantas the Ghana no yeza. Yes dama brewing baba. Nkanda who is a Chinese to slap a Ghanaian in the face.
Lebanese fo nyina boy.
Why are you? But as at 1964, when I finally got into Europe, namuhunde yenye boy. Abrofun no one mehenokwan me. Now we have the chance to flex. It's in Yusia as an Embramba develop it grow. And we have those of us who trained in the East, especially Russia, we were victims of situations. Mekai Pada me a champion face to face them.
Tell me no to where.
Yeah.
None former president champion.
Yes. In the Soviet trained graduates, we were having problems. Na Arts Association Kakrebi. And so you had delegation here. Because busier time, they don't want to hear of Soviet trained. You know. And so now our boys, well-trained people, doctors, engineers, architects, name it. That's why I'm Pogwana to Nansu Fikokomremle to ministries. Nansu from Kaneshi to ministries. Every day, because they be also come and see if your letter is ready. And the letter will never be ready.
Frustrations. Yes. Yes. You know your home. You know my
advantage. All you take. We decided to waste it. Navita Tema, he's a Soviet trained, or an American doctor. Dr. Kaiko Clinic.
The AB cancer at the born.
Human, yes. We all trained in Russia. He was in Kyiv. I was in Moscow. Even though he was a senior, he was my senior brother's classmate on Fansipin. These are wonderful doctors.
At your time, now in Nipa, when you dear pa, Makojini, dear pa, and I am resident
in yourself came from Germany, name it Japan, and all over the places. They were ready to work, and they were working. In between, what baby? In fact, we took a champion, as I say. When a champion was talking about union government, I know many people will disagree with me, but to me, we thought there, it's better than a military government. So, in Hena, Mr. No, Mr. Yes, all sorts of things.
Any.
No, we to a champion in a SMC2 bay. Akufu Bay, Rollins a chance, Ozzy fine, Ozzy revolution. It was too harsh. It was too harsh. Maybe most of it on him, but something was being done as well, to mess up the system. And I say.
Don't you think, say, young and Mabuni, so said the Ahenkan 93.3 FM, Yaba announced a new bonkume. Who needs a moon penny for Muhu, the early days, and I say Gold Coast, and who Ghana, and who was Sajifo, Buzia, a champon, Ababihun and now Domino. Who needs this kind of information? As your mama platforms, now share with the general public, never any buy also.
Oh, yeah, papa. In fact, Amy. Whether PNDC or not, revolution or not, PNDC Beno, to be frank, I thought it was going to help us.
Led by Rollins.
We drained them. The ABR, Monsieur Soji Nelson, the way he spoke, talking about Ghana. The Rollins, he had that patriotic spirit in him. If you know how I feel and how some of my contemporaries feel about Ghana, you will believe the Kwame Nkrumah, Rollins.
Or South feeling,
Yes.
But along the line,
the whole thing changed. And of course, immediate people around him. I mean, at Watson, Ahoy, all these people, these are people who saw young pioneerism and saw Kwame Nkrumah and that kind of
So they could have helped him.
I believe so, but I'm the whole baby no. Baby. No. At the end of the day now, 1 year more you know. Because we were contemporaries, you know, who really, some of them were young pioneers. If not, even if, look, when I want young pioneers, the system itself tells you love your country.
Dawmai.
Yes.
Oman mu na ufri.
Oman.
Nyamenya nsem na do be free.
Yes. And there should be bia. Oh no.
Are you surprised? Say Emebrun do na is here going to
1 year and come and open a shop in Ghana.
Say it is say it's all about money.
Money.
Unyeska wo be bia.
That's all. Ghana so be young for. In the woman day, Chinese na nka hu ya.
I take you over.
Yes.
Crime level at more time, you didn't come with baby.
No, forget about crime.
Now,
No, you can't compare it at all to this.
I didn't know some more breast.
Sure. As far back as 70s, in a wall, if you walk Kosura,
be able to do
3 feet.
Fear wall.
Yes.
No be come no fee.
Yes, that's the beauty of the house. They must see it. Now, wall in here just to demarcate there. Musu
ni aha me media.
Yes.
Today will be empire.
If you have any baby wall, if you have wall or wall, in a chair do more do baby wait. And if we have our way now, it will go up again.
All because of crime.
Yes. Papa B, Mr. Osafo. No, it's more commercial bank or you more commercial bank. I used to teach the son watch motor. Yes.
So I didn't know what to know one about you.
What to world is beyond the normal height.
Say what do?
I want to do 6 feet. About not when you feel how to world 6 feet. It was in Spectator. If go to Ghanaian Times, one should a Spectator 1974.
You're too warm, man, 6 feet.
Must watch Mr. Safu. Watch Mr. Safu. Me, Chin, or Bapepesim, Spectator, because Spectator was coming out. Those days, I don't know, I haven't been reading it of late. But those days, no, wonderful happenings. In summer, yes, no, it's about Vicky Tetenum, Kwesi Wood, you know, was a bad. What to wall 6 feet.
And it me to 10 to 12 feet.
Maybe here, my neighbor. Obey. Your wall is about 6 feet. This is about 3 feet or so. We was the security
mesh. All because of crime. Young for man who don't it here.
Must say here, ya bread don't know. Yako. Your man probi Nazim. Yako raw a fan Plaza Cinema. They are put in front by 11. Now, Finia, but Nagatano. Or Zincranda Kun Shitolo.
And I do by 11 of them.
You know, Yapon Sunny. You know, that time that man probi down Sumami ho area. You walk without even thinking of anything.
Nobody is thinking of coming to harm you.
Now, if houses now in those areas with hedges,
the flowers in the
wall in your gates behind the hall. In the one bedroom, we man, I can show them mother.
And they've lost it.
You had to wall, you had a gate, you had to gate him, you had to pay that to a cheap.
Security doors, metal doors.
There was a door, you what them, door be them.
Oh, how go?
Here we are.
Mr. Ibu Clark, and every Yadase, Yakupo Shaupa. Now, we first coming. Yenya who say Wadaroma, Ube welcome me a day. You ever be strong there or in chain. Now, I'm a Mebruna Ebana who say Ghana, if you baby, you do baby. Whom say, I say, dear. Then so your kasi nya adwen sakra yebetimi at least your manner eba no said okay next you nkwadan ketekete no ye mfentete wom na you say along the way no enyoma betimi as
exactly
and came from eda wase na yesre awurade nyankopɔn nhyira e de ama wo yesan so eda wasese ukwaji nim de obrochi no sebe wan tena ho na wo baba boa wo man na still that love and passion our surgical Dr. Kwame Nkrumah e de share mu no muda so ekuram eni ntina wa bi opu ama yese yemra na yenni enkomo no time goes on e be pe no do aba peace for no do aba Ahenkan fam as usual na omo mu betie na tie na yahwese emi bi beba Omani be ya
obey yesu
ya de nyankopon
because omani be ya ofiri henara
that's right
ya wonyum bia is it ifrimamu no ya
ifrimamu yeah
you know the menu man yansi bio
me na ametabo ne kakaka
no ya me ya o de ehu ye composers we are no longer patriotic in everything we do
musical everything
yes gospel is good. But it's one way.
This is not the type of gospel I pay.
Yes.
Patriotic songs are gospel songs.
Exactly. Those days, in you might frame a munum na what are at the honor rutua in a biblical king the Sonica Bibi. You know, or man be ye. And it's true. Mansor and Quajuma. Oh, ye. Ejman mayen ye ya o man ye
eje dase yango po nhira papa ya mi nhira dase etiefo na ahwefo live on Facebook ni Ahenkan 93.3 FM. It's a great privilege the catch was say utie ya entie keke tie ensem na ye kan komo na ye di no fa bi tu tirim e na o ka say nwumbu a wotia e kenya o say sorry na kope bibiye ene wotia sabe mani ma onyamobo esan se resi to ne bra investment at Ghana ye won he gave back to their country Ghana into one so a day na wo yama Ghana. It's not all about money. Sika de nipa nyina be pebi na so din be na wuja abrabo be na wobo Anamom be na wutu eno so ade wu be na wo o man Ghana. What is your contribution in its development? And yes on kwa be ye wo yire no mba mo ye yi no man ne say no ene wa kan sem bibiri a kire o ma ye ni emra ye ho so yen cherish your mind Ghana. Or some brothers, one more timber, more gold, or more diamond keke, any cuckoo. And so never know my yenya. And so you go so a yet TMC and which rain. Men know you are translated and such a demi film. China for take you over, Lebanese for take you over. Everybody who is known as white, you're respecting the chain, Yankasa, Yahoo, you're done it and qua our ye mind so. My Abrempong mo told you me de en Kenya, na en Sakrao, na ye na Yankee Kanyon, Yankee Kanyon whom, na ye kasi ye ya, ye beat me a ye. Momo sajofo eni areho ewo ehye momo na ninye nonka say I left a country Ghana and now things are getting better onyame nhira mo sharing to say frames oil kia sensu furniture and Ahenkan football academy o madaroma and on boy chidoma ye de Abrempong na moto Abrempong live on Ahenkan 93.3 me din do di Ahenkan kwa me eboa ye won dasene thank you
me maka kire me ho se daachi meye ni petitiru meyire me ho abobra pa aye bibi sonko abaye Abrempong daachi na won so mo akwada wonyini obeto kan wonama na obisa kwababo enti tie Abrempong na montuo ye dwumadi a ye de aba Ahenkan 93.3 FM so efiada bia anwumre no so kwasi no nwotwe odi Ahenkan kwa me yebo a ani ni petitiru ni pa kase a wo mo ye bibi papa gidi abaye titiru Abrempong na enu nti wo bia pe o mabrabo mu nsamatie no betwetwe komo ebi ti se mpanimfo a o mabedi o man so pen mrahye bedwafo akuafo ensentwafo akase asofo magidi nom abetwetwe nkomo Abrempong na montuo ebehye mebunu nkran hye mebunu den se daachi obetimi aye kase abaye Abrempong enti sane so eya Ahenkan 93.3 FM so efiada bia nwumre no so kosi no nwotwe odi Ahenkan kwa me yebo a akwada yeso a wahunu ne nsa hohoro nti wane mpanimfo to nsa dedie no wono no wotena dwam Abrempong anamontuo yanam sa dwumadie so behye mebunu nkran hye mebunu den se wonyire wo hono mo bra papa na daachi wobaye nipa akase wobaba abaye Abrempong kai eya Ahenkan 93.3 FM so efiada bia
Waka bebre. Na wose amobo. Na no de ohuni se ye ntimi nya osagefo so bie mo o. Sa na woka. Ni enya ne so bie mo dia ne so oman no. Dia ya na aye no. Dia ya na aye no minua. Ti se wonu mo so mo fefe ba no. An totofi wana ne ye nimdie na bawuro mu ya afri asiase ye kire mo yan kasankasa ye de no. Esensa mpa de minim ni se uwo ba na se uba no wo hwe na mani nyiri duru ba bi husu ba bi wani mu na wo ye so already o ya akra no wo kana wo sere so na no ate wo de ne sa de ne se obanyina duru ba bi no otia na ntia biem ento obanyina sam no kana je se Ghana ne sisi asa na aye asode aboden ba bia ye beduru ne dia o ye ne dan enye ye ya o mobo si nyina obade aboye nyina na moja kro na gina ye mu o wedia ne keke na asesa bibia asesa yo se ye tuntum na aja ya no mfo nso ye kokon ne keke ene ye soronko ademu ye nyina ye wu se bia nyina je nan ye nyina ye didi ye nyina ye da sore na nso so baako ye bu no che baako amamre ye ntoto nase baako de ya jeje mu e ba ne sen na ibe wie se ye yi Ghana yakwa na ya baaye areho nyame hu ye nyina mabo na wo ye nyina adwensa kira na ye me ye ni nsode ye wo ni ensom ye enti we aka besi anopa nkomo na ye die wo fidiam ya no so ai opanyin nkomo aka ba besi so areho pese misuma me man Ghana as ye hwe ba bi adura areho ya ye kasa akra ye mu biem yenu ye kosoro ne ye twene san ha be de yaduru ho oni abra brani e bo komo kakra 0201 944 485 0201 944 485 mama info frefo odi kan mamu adwo anyime odi be akasa free wadaroma
ejoso ajempa
yes sir
and me ora kokwa she men kan asase me bida na osagefo ho osagefo no obi ko datin enkan de tira me kasa osagefo be si temato refinery
ne kwasem
so no obi se dati bi ebenya wo yire wo man it won't see side we see wo man mu na dati bi ekunya ya rofani o man mu ne nya ho mfaso
ne kwasem
che efiti osale fo so no hware bai o man pani be no bai o din ko dati o ya man pani fo e bai nyina fo mo aduan ko to no so ama to na gu asai na me ana adeti adabia me kasa sem se nana do odi ehwamon nana do ye ni campaign o ka atu se tema o ye tiskaso enso akomodi ye wo yiri o mai mu enso ye bre adeti nana do tu wo se aniso adi hu nyina ze to no e ba bo mai mu na o ba ya o atem sabe masama me kan tieni o
mitie
Ubaya went to me and service that you know, refining. And also a side for some more kind, not Nadim Pa or the boo or mine. Also, between only every you. If you can Nakopa air at Mount Kenya, where you leave you or my moon. I can too, I call refining or Bimazo.
Hey, yeah. But yentimi gase na nanko ase mpanyufo e bia ba said oba obeye se bia bre ni nyanso se wo ko aka be se afi ne kakra
ana pena mo kan wasem ready so obeti eso be ya obedi be fi be na ya se fi num ne betimi aye na wo se aka afene fan ko tabi enu papa na no ade abe so
areho
me bompa se amampeni na almost three almost omo ba no e bompa ye pa se Kennedy die mi odi die se oba which is said manama credit dear ba me send your papa say me who need that but ofana adin e woni tirimu no
yate
oba wetimi ayama na Ghana yenya hoto
ye bonya me mpaye se agya ebeba mu saa ma ye nyina ma me na se ofofro nsomra apanyine de no no obisa si mpanyufo ma ba won mo kro de na mutimi ba ye de ma ye ne arewo na wo hwe osagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah firi ho Major Joseph Ata Ankraba ye Brigadier Kwasi Amankwa Afrifa Kofi Afrifa Buzia Edward Akufu Ado Aike Achampon mikro mu de hye no atwoma hwedie mu ofrie Kwasi Akufu Hila Irman JJ Lawrence J Kofuo Ora Atamres John Dramani Mahama Akufu Ado nie yetim baby yetim areho emobo anti brani yankwai 0554820910 my phone for di wa mamu adwo nyime odi baby akasa free apani kasi na pomo
boko eja
wadaru ma odi baby akasa free
pacho mgede ko Abraham prince free atima chane ya
apani ni mayinti we
and yes na de we are and kafe na be yanka mendi ya o man akodri de na mi di mi fi na ohoho abedi mi fi abofo na yes na de mi fi papa agro kwanga tanga papa kan tempa ne se ne o man ego ya ye sa se se ye mo bo mi ti men kan
kafra Amam for raho Ami ankasa me raho Tanse baby aga na ekono edin Shabutaya nesi papa yani so Ni nyina ka mama for di wono mamu adwan odi baby akasa free
Hello
Obanyi kasa wadar mama adwai
Ye wura na
ani die no obo kwa so apomo na udin baby akasa free na etwasofo nyina ho ye ide nyame ase se da se bre so eho oden do body ase nyame ma ne nkwada so amen abanyini yankwai eja
Ghana de sisi me dan paso so me yesu we 3 November me nya be 2074 years senior papa ne ka say ya interview am ye
no banyini o cha Ghana
me ye plan kada itema
abanyini o ti menga Kafra. Sabobura mu biem. Sabobura mu biem. Sabe dia mu amu cha Ghana no na wasam beka Ghana nsam kire ye ni o. Mamu adwa nyodi baby akasa free. Hello.
Yes sir.
Obanyi kasi wadar modi baby akasa free.
Kwame asante akasa free coupon.
Na coupon fo ho ye.
Obi a ho ye.
Ye de nyame ase. Ma yenti we.
Eu sei que na dia foi guieti. E chegado.
Adade na asie. Sie nyina atenkwam.
Asemu ya papa yikan. Na se o chef sala ne so bedroom na. O se nyame e foforo asase ye ni. Na o ye no foforo.
Enti wabama bu ana.
Papa.
Oh, se be ye yo.
Papa no nya sama obeka ho.
Ai.
Nya sama obeka papa so enye yi ba wa ye panyin 20 nka.
Oh, da bi wo se be ye yi akire o kan wo se be ye yi.
Wa ka so aka na me chese na uti mo se enye so no nheda nko yi sa. Yen share Kwame Nkrumah. Yen ko ni kurom. Yen ko se edan ahe no si.
Nkrofo.
Edan se no si ma na busiafo. Na ye misa ministers keke, common minister o menye president. And me yen share edwapade a omo wo.
Waka asemo.
Wo de me pese wo hwe Kwame Nkrumah pa se e de mpa no jade man yire ne man na bonka kra wi mu no.
Ana no na Samia Nkrumah me ntwa no Samia Nkrumah na no woka. Wose dan kro mu si ya ja enka na omu se be yo mu fie omo de ama oman na ne amanfo ba ho ne de omo kokogye ko seresrade.
You see?
Aye.
So and what the bisa MPs ministers keke. Edwapade ye fun sika. Na ka Ghana bra na kokobra ni tibi ko $5 you go there. Ghana bre. Papa
Areho.
Ni no nya ne foforo ente sa dia. Enkoye. Moni nyame nya djuma.
Eda se ebeye. Ye de ebekoso aka ebeye. Nyame ne hene. Etire nyante ye nya cheso da biara da. E batara wo. Enti wo de ma hwe osagefo achi o. Ma me hwe nkrofo mdi okon no sa enan enum nsia nso nwotwe nkron du baako. Hey, still na amfa. Hey, eradi hu ya mabo. Ghana Japadie bebre. Anya duro ya modimbo na susu paifo ni ngusu nya no maye na ya bre. Ghana ye godu bebre. Ye koko bebre. Agudie yi bebre, timba bebre. Ai, dia biem na Yakopon nya yen. Amu wajo, onipa nua wapom ni baby akase free. Hello?
Hello?
Me ba cho majo ai. Mami adaru madi baby akase free o. Hey, kafra, fama facha me am say weather ni ntia ache wo nenu mu kakra. Oh, okay. Adaru baba ye tie wai. Oh. Oh.
Senya na gene a pon kan sa brane ne Yankopon o gene ne chi o yes ade ma Ghana. I think Ghana. Ya wa ha na even ya man pane kranka bro for the fa ko e de na kudi pants na wa foska abrane e dia de. En Canada. Ya bo tre to so mo ni ho a mo de fly like o mo use heavy machines. Yeah, that machines e ko fa di wen. I don't see me ba.
Mitsi o panyini.
That machines no. Anka yen ye ko fa bi wo hen ne. We cross na de fo ye. Men kan say akoso mo year.
Yeah, akoso mo dam.
Machine support. The one year anka yen sa machines no ye ko fa bi wo hen. And what she mo ye factory so ye ya. The team of and repair ye di tu no de na mu ye. Amampani ya besis oken ka unya say do se du baako.
Sisian onu na chi no omoye makomaku dumienu.
Nti dumienu no bia ba na nka otumi maintain ni one mpa. The yanga so nye bi nka ho. The 4 pe no ye mpa nka dumienu no. Obia maintain ni baako. Therefore no bia maintain ni baako ofoforo be ba no be san beto aso. Anki ni Senior, Papa here and Catana no way. And some more to do na aban eba and then no ma be.
Omo guda da ni nyina de papa ne omo guni nyina.
No more than no ma be.
Nya shi.
I think the cathedral. I had a cook to you then.
Ye de be sum nyame. Be yi nyame aye. Wose mo hwehwe oso ahenni ni kane de aka nya ode beka mo ho.
Papa.
Ja.
Oh yes.
Oh okay. Ho nye nyame fie. So that's yes ye ko nyame fie. Esa na ye kan. I see. Na che se abrabo aye bebo no eno ni mom na hia.
Eno ne hia onyankopon na nye dan na obesi.
Oh, say you cathedral you see you see be tourism attraction na said you be nkrofo be sra no so e benya bibi kakra firi ho.
Papa.
Eja.
Zoom lion for apeti akora ma o.
Na say me say ya twetwe dia me ma MMDC for no say om contract no so am ya renew biem. Obanyino line ntimi ndim wa ye gina ye kakra wadaroma.
Zoom lion sanitation ministry.
No kwase minia.
Sanitation minister na. Iske busu woni dem mo nye ne bank na account woni dem mo kre bi o mo.
No ne ye nanim fifira wo san ne ye ne sika.
Oh sa.
Sa no waka no but ye nya ndim wie nti yenim. Eja. Yate. Facha me em say amano sheda enimwa ye. Oban gas ya facha me o wagina so ache. We dey be aka free.
Enye hwe me peni.
Oh no me da se ye kwa.
Adwenba.
Eja.
Ewie on. Me ni na Facebook. Ana me ko hu kwa me koma history bi.
Okay.
Ana me say me TV. Me hu dey atme ko to dream. Family koma ni ma me no ba ko pe. Oh. Obewu no. Okansem bi. Dokuta touch. Ebi esi edu me hwe ne na wie o Facebook. Almost oda ni krom 16 years. In few dunsia. Me hwe ba bia na oda ni nyina e wo Facebook. Na o man pani Lawrence buy no. So oba be fa amundi na konkran. So onu eda na omudem. One ne maame ne papa. Two bedrooms.
Adankura mienu na omudem ni krom wansi da bia o. Me see and me see me share on Facebook live. Adankura mienu ne maame o try picture ene eda review ni si o na ne papa nso try picture ne da review ni si o. Enti ano no ka de na kire yen.
Yes, kwa me kuma ni sadu hu anaka wo ma o mai no. Onu ankasa dan wan pesika ama ni krom ama ne ho ama ne japa ne
busuya
busuya. Ade ti ne obie be di o pani bia o mai mu a ma saka na ska nyina. Ade ne se ko basa. Ada na ko betu ya ka o ya asasi su. Na ko betu me tie na me wura e ti asebo kan e besi abesi ti ma san afre ka me play bi mu. Ma share life. Oh Facebook and awie to come say as if kwa me kuma dia obeya ni dia. Wonya hwe o si gini ho no on present ni funu say 16 years. Ansana and say so and so what is ko hu no dey bi me di efunu be ban kran no da ho me to okuta thought no om kan abako sem bi se o kan sem bi kan o obewu so kan sem bi na sasem na mi wura fi mi o obewu no o kan sem bi to ho no ansa om ni abako sem na ewo baby o musie no ni kurum wo no o tere baby o musie no so kwa no musie no am so kwa no om the light abo nti kwa no wa press light na so oko he asa oko he a na obewu so odem collect na odem
adin
Ghana benefo nyame be tuo mo kama akoma
abetre nyame ma yabotre kwaso ani enu mi wo muse ya ja
ana obi bomba ye no obi bomba ye ka accident ni
ya mompa ye nyame mom adwen sachira esanse de wo kan we de wo kan we ya me metia sisi ya minya su amesu because ya
se onu woni se du se dati bi benya wo yire wo mai mu no ko o si sa o yire fani awai atete apansam nyankopon abuan so ye nya wo yire su wo mai mu itu e no e kuro e no a ye even ko
obi man so ne enko dane ani ya ma we from Rasumdevi what's your adaruma
na de wo this up me
nyame ho mamu adwa nyumre di bia ka sa free openyo hey oben gas na pomo wo medical last week no me catch your say national producer no nkasa say ntimi antentam aha nti wo dia se atahia uhia me anu ayere me yankwa
bazo deja bezi abalo na samba ko kan etoma kumaso aisha ehame asi nka yeri itin deja edin president of abalo wa ina wo redi edi amagana nanka otra Ghana ase ema wo beja wo free what tenka se ni bia ba yimi sase se Ghana ni mpanyofo Then what
yes. Tribalism, no.
Then we shall know what Kenya can come out with it. So when you only hear one, you say you dream that the intent.
Dabi.
You say, will be a idea with the what is catching a what it. This is Jay and I did to the Ghana. Ghana penny being to maintenance, and then they say. Me ya de etumi ho asi wa che e de ayam nchirima
dabi
fiscal bla was unemployment no fiscal o ka se wo papa no o se e be koso fiscal de mo mi se me ba am se jumana e de me di ni bo ba ni ya mi biu ni me juma me ya de sa me bent to me jumani e den ne koso but as he said baby was it kana
Kwame kuma so sesu biem
saswaka ino kwa bla min susi saswaka ba nkono saswaka yan kai dia onu kwa me di etimi hwehwe ga minti ehwenne free ene nyeba eni baby a Ghana bitumi asesa ne shebre akọ o de ma me kazalo isi but omu baby a o de nkan baby a Ghana akọ omu baby a Ghana inchi free
sure
ndi se onu na o tree omu baby a free eni baby a akọ eni baby a bitumi asesa akọfa inchi emma adiaba this what we baby bla this is what we kuruma so for ka we baby awoko this we baby awu free kurum let's all for ka we me say if see we na me ko fiu na say we baby awu free na we baby awoko ena awoko this is ani ba ka ni da so woni mu a me babla no gidi say me kai na ti aga na bitimi akoyi pa yintu na nazo na yemfa kwa yemfo ya nkansi
Hey.
Ghana free.
Yentu na nado dan kwa kufa ne anyima mpanyine ma odi Ahenkan kwa me yeboa.
What say Ghana free baby na be do baby.
Aha.
And you say you baby Ghana free. And then I say and then ne bobre and baby wo go gina. Ghana no e ko hwiase. E bia Ghana ni chire pa examrem.
Yat.
Ni da so. E papa na kan le nero. Papa no usuru wonne bim e no de ka.
Ko be kan sempa.
Ghana ni da so. Me die. Me message ma mi. Kani minyawu na me ba antimi ami ejuma na me ye na. Onye juma bi anye bim. Ejuma be no kwa kwa. Ije ejuma wo he.
Isi uye di ejuma.
Ni yes amenta ejuma. Ga ododa. Nti di juma na wa sabla ejuma na wa. Ni na gu. Ije zasia kan police station ali. Police station ejuma be. Pelum and ejuma. Nti ni pelum me banka wa. Ejuma no obekwa kwa ejuma. Bla.
Areho.
Mo ma yeffe. Na yuna. Gaza de obi ka se yemfa yensan yiti no. Ese Ghana yenyina yedi yensan yiti. Yesu. Na yika do se Ghana.
Na Yesu an Yesu a kire hwan.
Ana me se yentu na na. Yentu na na do. Yemfa odi ayin.
Na na aga ni vie be se ba ko ne fa. Isi owi ansa ne atimi atu no.
Na nfie ba ko ne fa. Ebetimi asayade o. One day petty me say idea.
Yate. Ibrahim yate. This year my boss who see na let me frɛ no. His Excellency Odi Ahenkan kwa me yeboa. Na we share me ma mezo so ma Helena. Her Excellency ma Helena yeboa. Ai this year no. Weye dubu ahede ya no aji kila boa hu o na do yi na do siso upompo ya du bedi oh kafra areho anuanem areho nanso no mame frefo ba kumia ni esa na me voice ma mo adwan me odi na be kasa free hello abayi kasa mpa chodi be kasa free na ajekuru fo ho ye
nyame adom
ye tia ajekuru fo nso nyina
obi adom
opagine ma yenti o
yo anafu ayenne ne Friday ya tin some papa na me bly of place here aka say the ankayamfa for boss and your president. I am better. Simple. One got our share. Ghana has high pan away to assist in young Ghana, your dad. A penny for physical way, and why now what's our brow? One at this end, you got so you any so or she said Ghana. Yes, when you are better calm on Mama. No be that coverable and as a car time. So I just share papa some more back kind. Come and come. Opia only any that one to open who say that's what I shall be way better. It's mammy Jaba a bit in our several memory. Not the only chino. Between now, Obia, one next year. It's a Kenya Ubota. It's a Kenya, young Kolang, the BBC, the BBC, Nippon now, but near my gun is a synonym or who, but it's me funny it. It's one because I would say, oh, boss, to wait not for your president and call, who is a Keba Moboti?
Kenya Mobo Ghana da.
Share a Dano Saturday or 2 weeks. I'm 2 weeks, after we become. And now, Kofa, across so ekwan mu ho baby a say ana no ni di hu komo ana o dey issue aje krom like electricity nsem ye ka o boss ye ya wo so amasisi adam me ko fa akwa me ko no ma ye so
o kan ho asem no kwa no ma ye
o kan ho asem no ni di sini kasa ye no o ma ye kwan but yen yele electricity na ko e se ona bo George kan ya bo ko e se we gun bi aguna no no de so o pe so on ya na ye aje konfo nye bibi na cover the ya the police ba ya the soldier ba what about the light about the fahad to that say Japan dia dia ma fa so wa ma ye di make us say ya me too many high tension na me dan so wa ma ye di dia kan o de na ochina you say o pe so san dia ko say 2024 na ya de yan kasa ya no mo ba no ma ta da de o mo sa da sa ye tre ho aka nsam
enti me ba o we ya mo yesu odimra we kura se mo na mo chi no di na die se twodi mo pese obeye mampanyini yi die na ma ne da sonko nti a mo pese obeye mampanyini
na wa kasa wu
bia na me medie na me huna sonko eche mo die no
ai mahama akufu ado tankrofo mieni ya me na ne fi ya me omo ne nam Ghana mamu na nsen ya atente kunye omukra na omu te kunya so mu ni said ni ndio ma to mu ni sabishi serious ya wo the nyame na dom na se on jaya ko sisi ana so be ko sa transfer acha
nyame ne hene kafra. And on that note, no, I think say very afadi rem. It's this year no hashtag Odi for president. Hashtag Odi for president. Anyam na me yo. Wait at your phone na this man no masha say campaign ba. Enti simu no. Mo amotiti asia no na asia kra na musuo no. This dibia no hu sa na nyame na ade o. Ai. Enti enra ofa ya oma yehunu say leader without a title. And na say pie wa ha. Wa no to one man na nkrofo pijawo. Yes, ma onsa no adwuma no nkrofo hunu keke. Unni problem. Ai unni problem. Enti odi adwuma pa no. Amafo se o se ehwe ne boss aba abasbody e. Ai enti boaboa ho. MP no kura de beto nchen MP ne de ato nchen kura na mapanyin on ma se MP sesendi I was here for Brennan Yanson aburo su bebre ye be ma kwan na watch na wie yanso no eja brenia de adea ja wo wa dadwo ho kakra na wa enjoy nyum kakra de afamu a enti nyame ya adoma na watch sene yes nkunya so kana sene so ese dwumadie yi edin de Abrempong Anamom eduru ba bia yesua bakwasam eduru ba bia hye hu kran ni a hye ho den ni a kyerɛkyerɛ wo na timi aboa mo ba bia abrabɔ no ɛkɔ na mom Ghana fo mo amra ho na dwene nyina ma mo re ho yankopɔn wo ho odi ba ye mampanyina bibia be kɔbɔkɔ tisi a campaign mi amadi aye e ba ye campaign gidigidi really say odi for president almost starting with peace. Hey! Ay, ani ewie say ya chance ya kwada dada. Mo pe ade le baba. Enti mo amo etie ye nyina Yakopon hira mo amo antie ye na so mo de morura ne makoma di dwumadie na chi obi wonu ye wie ansa na wakwa akohwe Yakopon hira mo nyina ka na channel so say YouTube Facebook no kwa da wonum no watimi akohwe na timi so aboa wo Yakopon ya aduma da sa na yesinkonya so anwumre no nso kopem anwumre no nkron na ye de eye Abrempong no monto aba sum dwumadie yi ekuku danfo na eboa ma ye de ebe dan wo owura Billyman technician on duty on na siri pesa enya asem ketwa adwempa yin ko fi mensa adwene papa na papa ni wani mu kan metra mu wo fidua mu anom na afi no meso madon don di dwumadi na dandan na afi no panyin kase no ankasa odi Ahenkan Kwame Yeboah international killer achemkwana na onu bremu agya wono so aboa na wode nkomodidie ni kitan odie ni nyina so ede aba na afi yesuade ede afrimu nyame adoma dasene yenhia na afi na de sua bia wonom no yensan so ensuampa cho na otwe awieye hwe ho so ye na noma enso so ensisi so fa hye Nyankopon za ono na bibia woni nsem nipa dasani fo ni nto no so obedi hwammo